I think Mexico has a lot of opportunity. We cover Mexico, Central America, and the Caribbean. What I like most about Mexico and Latin America is the potential. We have so much to do. If you see the number of keys we have, my name is Daniel Algazi. I'm Associate Director in JLL Value and Risk Advisory.
Okay, sir. So tell me, what brings you here to this conference?
It's a very good conference. We come every year. It's a great place to meet new people, to see old friends, and to know more about the hotel industry in the region. I think it's one of the best events we have in Mexico.
Now, what exciting things that JLL have for 2026? Are you guys excited about certain things that's happening with you or with the business or in the sector in general?
I think it's going to be a good year. I think Mexico has a lot of opportunity. We cover Mexico, Central America, and the Caribbean. And in all these markets, we see a lot of opportunity for this year. We have great weather, great people, great potential, a lot to grow. And I think the World Cup, everybody's so excited about it. And even though it's just like 10 days, everybody's crazy. So this is a great year for tourists. We're going to break all the records, all the visitors. So I think this will be a great time for Mexico, to people to know about us, to see what we have to offer in our cities, our people. So I think it's going to be a good year for us.
Now, do you see growth in the horizon in terms of new properties, in terms of new hotels in the pipeline, or do you guys are planning to do that? Any news about that?
Yes, in terms of industrial, we see good revenues. It depends on the free trade agreement that it's confirmed. But if once we break that in June, I think the industrial works. When the industrial works, I think the north of Mexico will have a lot of opportunities for hospitality, for residential, for all the other things. And I think our beach, our history, that is expected to grow. Central Mexico, Cancun is a monster. We expect that to still be a monster. And Los Cabos, we also have a lot of faith in Los Cabos for this year.
Of course. Now, let me ask you one last question. And my last question will be, are you guys seeing, what do you tell investors who want to invest in Latin America, hospitality markets for 2026? What's things that should excite them about it?
What I like most about Mexico and Latin America is the potential. We have so much to do. If you see the number of keys we have, in some markets we are smaller than the islands in Caribbean, or we are 10 times smaller than US markets. So we have everything to grow. We have the best weather, the best people, the best culture. So I think we only need to understand the markets, the politics, the economies, the size of the markets, and one of the challenges is infrastructure. I always tell investors, choose a right spot, but that you can get there, that you have water, that you have energy, that you have airports, because we have a lot of nice places, but not every place is for development right now.
Connectivity is key.
I think that's the challenge in our region.
I got you. Well, thank you very much, Daniel, for your time. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, Joseph. Very interesting. Thank you very much.